everyone, I am Pranav Karate and this is my project ChaosForge, a chaotic, intentionally broken design experience that explores what happens when we take every UI UX rule and throw it straight out of the window. We have all used apps where something feels off, misaligned buttons, horrible fonts, weird animations, or layouts that make no sense. Bad design frustrates users, slows them down, and creates broken experiences. But instead of fixing these problems, I wanted to ask a different question. What if we embrace the chaos? What if we intentionally design everything wrong on purpose? And that idea became the foundation for Chaos Forge. This project is artistic and fun exploration of terrible UI. Every component is intentionally designed to break the rules visually, structurally, and interactively. And now I'll walk you through the experience. We start with the chaotic hero section, where the page greets you with a visual maze of overlapping text, unpredictable motion, and elements fighting for attention. Immediately the tone is set. Nothing here behaves the way you expect. Then comes typography crime, a full-on assault of mismatched fonts, random sizes, incorrect spacing, and colors that break every readability standard. It looks painful, and that's the point. That is the layout disaster zone, a grid system that doesn't believe in grids. Boxes overlap, spacing collapses, and nothing is in harmony. It's the designer's worst nightmare brought to life. We then move to useless interactions, where buttons wiggle, rotate, shake, and sometimes do absolutely nothing. Here, UI responds, but never with an intention or purpose. The absolute nonsense zone takes the chaos even further. The section exists purely for visual noise, animations, flashing text, random movement, and area that feels like your UI is glitching beyond repair. Then comes interactive hell, designed to annoy you as much as possible. The cursor triggers unwanted animations, hover traps activate, and elements run away from your mouse. It's UI that fights back. The AI spiraling section simulates the UI losing its mind, flickering text, corrupted messages, and elements acting like system is collapsing. Next is death by aesthetic, a sensory overload of excessive gradients, animations, neon colors, and motion. It is a visual explosion that ignores every principle of balance or restraint. The buggy matrix follows, a shifting, unstable, constantly glitching digital matrix effect that makes you question whether the page is broken or designed that way. The next is feedback form, a form that looks simple but every interaction either breaks, glitches, or behaves irrationally. Submitting feedback becomes a mini battle in itself. And finally, we end with the broken footer, a section that refuses to stay where it belongs. It misaligns and distorts a perfect representation of what happens when structure simply gives up. To this project, I wanted to showcase UI UX principles by reversing them completely, by exaggerating everything that can go wrong in design. Chaos Forge becomes a playful reminder why good design matters and how chaotic things get when those rules are ignored. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this chaotic journey through broken design.